Well, Rahul Gandhi tore into the government over the contentious land acquisition bill at the farmers' rally in Delhi, terming the bill and the government anti-farmer. He said the Prime Minister was taking away farmers' land to pay back corporates who had funded his election campaign last year. The rally is being seen as Rahul Gandhi's big comeback vehicle after his 2-month-long leave of absence.
Drumming up support for a party that's been on a back foot after a series of electoral reverses and its vice president's 2-month-long absence, the Congress party going on the offensive, targeting the Narendra Modi government for what it calls its anti-farmer policies.
प्रधानमंत्री और उनकी सरकार को पूरी ताकत से यह संदेश दे कि अब बहुत हो चुका है। देश के किसान, देश के खेत मजदूर, देश के गरीब उनके खोखले वादों और उनकी चाल को समझ चुके हैं।
For Rahul Gandhi, this was seen as a comeback rally, and he made a direct attack on Prime Minister Narendra Modi, accusing him of trying to sell farmers' lands to help his industrialist friends.
मोदी जी ने बड़े-बड़े उद्योगपतियों से हजारों करोड़ रुपए का कर्जा लिया है। उनकी मार्केटिंग होती है और उस कर्ज को वो कैसे निभाएंगे? आपकी जमीन उन उद्योगपतियों को देकर निभाएंगे।
The BJP held a special press conference to launch its own counter-offensive.
Well, I was suddenly recalling the Haryana model when the Congress was in power, or the Rajasthan model where the Congress was in power, where the land of the poor farmers was being taken away for a particular model, for a particular family member.
To ensure the rally's success, the party asked all Congress leaders to bring their supporters to bolster their show of strength. From the pink turbans of Bhupinder Singh Hooda supporters to the saffron turbans in support of former Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh, the political turbans showed the divide within, so much so that some supporters even jeered during a rival speech. And it seems even the rising mercury got the better of some, as these chairs started emptying out even as the Congress president was still speaking. But how this show of strength is taken ahead is key for the future of this man. A two-pronged strategy by both Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi to take on the Narendra Modi government and reassure farmers that they are with them not only on the land acquisition bill but on other day-to-day matters. Clearly the focus will be on the Congress Vice President in the next few days and months to prove his mettle and reaffirm his commitment that he made today. With camera persons Manu Nayak, Divan Singh, Arif, with KK Angre, Sunil Prabhu for NDTV.